Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Trout is such a delicious and delicate fish, and pan-frying it is hands down one of the best ways to enjoy its unique flavor. You get that amazing crispy skin, perfectly paired with moist, flaky fish inside. It's truly a super simple, yet incredibly satisfying meal that you can whip up any night of the week. Let's dive right in and learn how to master it. Before anything else, preparation is absolutely key for perfectly pan-fried trout. First, take your trout fillets and pat them thoroughly dry on both sides using paper towels. This step is super important, as excess moisture will steam the fish instead of crisping the skin. Next, season generously with salt, fresh black pepper, and maybe a little garlic powder or paprika if you like. This sets the stage for delicious flavor. Now, let's talk about getting your pan ready for action. You'll want to use a good quality nonstick or cast iron skillet, large enough for your trout to lay flat without overcrowding. Add about 1 or 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, like regular olive oil or canola oil. Heat this oil over medium-high heat until it just begins to shimmer and looks almost like it's lightly smoking. This is the ideal temperature to get that amazing crisp. It's time to cook. Gently place your seasoned trout, skin side down, into the hot pan. Remember, don't overcrowd the pan. Cook in batches if you need to. Let it cook undisturbed for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until the skin turns beautifully golden brown and super crispy. Then, carefully flip the trout over and cook for just another 2 to 3 minutes on the flesh side, until it's opaque and flakes easily with a fork. Once your trout is perfectly cooked, remove it from the pan and let it rest on a plate for just a minute or two. While it's still warm, add a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice over the top. This really brightens up the flavors. A sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley adds a nice touch of color and extra freshness. Serve your delicious pan-fried trout immediately with your favorite side dishes. It's truly a fantastic meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.